Is your website still struggling to get the traffic it deserves? Have you tried every SEO trick in the book, but still can't climb the ranks on Google? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm introducing you to a tool that can completely transform your SEO game, Nytro SEO. Imagine a tool that simplifies your entire SEO process, boosts your rankings, and puts your website right at the top of search results, all with just a few clicks. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, it's not. Nytro SEO makes it a reality. Now, let's talk about Nahian. He's a small business owner who sells hand wash. Despite having a stunning website, his site was stuck on page 3 of Google results. He was losing customers to his competitors and felt hopeless. Then Nahian discovered Nytro SEO. With its easy-to-use features, budget-friendly tools, and powerful capabilities, he was able to analyze his website, find high-performing keywords, and fix his SEO issues in just minutes. Before he knew it, his website was ranking on page 1 and his sales skyrocketed. Here's what Nytro SEO can do for you. AI-powered SEO analysis. Get instant insights and actionable recommendations. Competitor research tools. Stay ahead of your rivals with ease. Affordable pricing. Perfect for businesses of any size. User-friendly interface. No technical skills required, just plug and play. Are you ready to take your website to the next level? Check out Nytro SEO now on AppSumo. Visit Tech Tool IT website. You will find details review of Nytro SEO. Click the link in the description and start dominating the search results today.